morning, people. Welcome back. This is 2017 Land Rover Discovery Sport 2.0. I want to show you how to do the oil change in this baby. Alright, so come on, let's get it. Shout outs to everybody in the building. Love your pulse. That's the oil type it's gonna take. Okay. Alright, let's get it. Come on. Alright, this is how you open the hood. Just pull it. This baby has like a 63,000 miles, bro. 63,000 miles. Alright. That's the lever, hood latch. Now here, boom. Engine oil cap. Ooh, smoky, smoky. Oh, dipstick. Coolant reservoir. Windshield fluid reservoir. Air filter. Alright. Let's go down there and drain this hose. Alright, there's gonna be a cover. It's gonna be a cover. Like 10 millimeter bolts all the way around. Just remove it and the cover comes out. Just like that. 15 millimeter. The oil filter is right here. This white thing. Alright. You're gonna have to squeeze it through here. Okay. Let's go. Let's get it. So this baby is gonna take 5.7 quarts. That would be 5.4 liters. It's gonna take, as you can see over here, 5W30. Okay. Pour your oil here. That should be it. Alright, once you're done pouring the oil, put the oil cap back. Put the oil dipstick back. If you want to check the oil level, it should be, let me show you, right here. Okay. You know how to do it. Pour the new oil, start the car, let it run for a minute so the oil go through the whole system. Stop the car, pull out the dipstick, wipe it, then dip it again, pulse, pull it out, and that's how you have a better reading. And you're done.